Hey everyone, these are the new Bleach Splatter Destroyed Judy Blue shorts. I think they are amazing. They're super comfortable. So these have a little bit of bleach splatter. So each pair is gonna be slightly different and unique as it is that bleach look. It's also got the bleach splatter look on the back along with distressing. So you can see the distressing on the pockets on the back and then the distressing on the front with the little holes, and then that rough frayed edging along the hemline. So super cute with that dark wash whisker coloring, and then of course the bleach splatter distressing. Same fit as always this year for Judy Blue shorts, so nice and stretchy in the waistband, tons of stretch in the legs, and not fitted or tight anywhere in the legs. Really nice long length on these. These actually feel a little bit longer than some of the other shorts. This is a mid-rise, although it comes almost to my belly button, so I feel like it's on the longer edge of mid-rise. Really comfortable. So if you've got any of the shorts this year, get the same size. These are a perfect fit. Otherwise, size small is going to be 0 through 6, medium 6 through 10, large 10 through 13, XL 13 through 15. Then for the plus sizes, 1X is going to be 14 and 16W, 2X is 18 and 20W, and 3X is 20 and 22W. If you need any help on sizing or need some personal help, please send us a message so we can help you out. For all of the length, inseam and rise, just check the description. All those measurements are in there for a plus and regular. Otherwise, these are available right now. The Bleach Splash Judy Blue shorts. Go snatch them up.